In this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin, how to earn money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. 1. Buy and hold Bitcoin. The purchase and hold method is one of the finest ways to earn money with Bitcoin without putting in too much effort. One of the simplest and most beginner-friendly methods to make money with cryptocurrencies is to buy and keep BTC. It works like this. Sign up for a Paxful account, and you'll get a free Bitcoin wallet. Choose from over 400 payment methods to purchase Bitcoin using a bank transfer. No matter how long it takes, hold on to your Bitcoin and wait for it to appreciate in value. It's possible to hold off on selling for weeks, months, or even years. That's one of the benefits of investing long-term. This method is so widely used that it has earned the internet moniker, HODL. An error on an online forum led to the creation of the acronym Hold On for Dear Life. In other words, if you're planning to purchase and hold, make sure to hang on to your BTC. What if you're looking for a systematic method to HODLing? DCA, or the Continuous Dollar Plan, is a strategy in which you invest your whole savings over a certain length of time rather than disbursing it all at once. When it comes to long-term investments, this is very essential information. 2. Earn interest on your crypto. If you're wanting to HODL for a length of time or just protect your riches using Bitcoin, our new useful tool could be the ideal option for you. With Paxful Earn, you may earn interest on your crypto every week, on Tuesdays, to be precise. If you think of it as a savings account, but with additional ways to earn money, it's a far better deal overall. The product is already on the market in Nigeria, and it will be accessible everywhere in the globe in the near future. 3. Earn Bitcoin cashback on credit card purchases. Other major payment processors across the globe have also begun to experiment with cryptocurrencies. As a result, many Bitcoin users were able to take advantage of new financial prospects while still paying using their credit cards. Instead of miles or points, the BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature credit card offers its customers Bitcoin as a reward. A monthly deposit of BTC into a BlockFi account will be made for cardholders who earn 1.5% to 3.5% cashback. After seeing a new financial world, the next greatest thing is that there are no international transaction fees with this card. 4. Join affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing is yet another uncomplicated method that might be used to profit from Bitcoin. This kind of marketing is used by a great number of businesses in the hope of acquiring new clients. Existing customers are incentivized to invite their friends and family to the establishment, which is how the system works. There are many different variations of these kinds of applications available on the market today. Nonetheless, they are all distinguishable from one another. Research each one thoroughly, and then decide which of the many programs you would want to participate in. Paxful is proud to provide our very own Bitcoin affiliate program, which provides you with the finest possible chance to earn money with Bitcoin. Investigate it, and see whether giving it a go is something you'd be interested in doing. 5. Accept Bitcoin payments for your products and services. As Bitcoin, BTC, develops further, an increasing number of companies are beginning to acknowledge it as a valid form of payment for their products and services. If you currently operate a company and are interested in making money with Bitcoin, you should think about the possibility of taking Bitcoin as payment for the goods you sell. Customers who do not have bank accounts or credit cards will find it much easier to conduct purchases if you include Bitcoin into your payment system. This will allow you to expand your client base. The fact that it is so very simple to begin the process of taking Bitcoin payments is the finest aspect. If you are the proprietor of a real business, You can get things started by affixing a tiny sign to the window of your institution and positioning another one next to the cash register. If you own an online company, you have the option of either displaying a banner on your homepage or using a payment intermediary such as Paxful Pay and integrating it completely into your website. Customers may easily transfer money to your Bitcoin wallet by sending them directly. 6. Take advantage of Bitcoin faucets. Do you like listening to commercials and participating in online polls? Because of things like Bitcoin faucets, you really have the opportunity to make a respectable amount of money by just engaging in that activity. These incentive schemes pay out negligible amounts of Bitcoin to users in exchange for doing menial chores like as viewing advertisements or filling out questionnaires. A few of them even take the shape of miniature games. Watch this video to find out more information if you are interested in this topic. 7. Look for micro jobs and pay-to-click websites. This is a trustworthy method for accumulating BTC, but only a select few individuals will let you in on it. If you view an advertisement or click on a link that takes you to a page that contains advertisements, you may earn pay-to-click (PTC) tokens from many different websites. Bear in mind, however, that producing large money in this manner is a work that may be difficult and time-consuming. These websites provide an amazing opportunity for you to make some extra money quickly if you are ready to put in some effort. If you are interested in learning how to generate money with Bitcoin, you may do it by visiting websites such as CoinPayu and ADBTC. Microworkers is yet another website that will pay you a nominal sum for doing simple activities such as viewing a movie on YouTube or responding to a survey that someone else has created. These PTC services also offer BTC-based alternatives, such as Bitcoin Get and CoinTasker, where users may choose from thousands of different activities to do in order to earn Bitcoin. 8. Get tips in BTC. Helping other people out is one of the things that gives you the greatest satisfaction in this life, and if you receive a little bit of extra money as a tip for doing it, that's even better. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.